All right, it's time we had a little bit of a discussion before I head off to bed. Now, I watched a video earlier today by a good friend. You guys might know him as FDD. He's a fellow emergency alert system enthusiast, such as myself. He makes emergency alert system videos, such as myself. He studies the system, such as myself. Me, him, and a lot of other people do the exact same thing. We call ourselves the Emergency Alert System Community. And we've always worked as a community. Right now, as I'm making this video, this community is being under attack by various people. And I do apologize if I miss several names, but I feel like this needs to be mentioned a little bit. Now, the video that I will mention very, very briefly, because I can't remember off the top of my head what was said in this video, but I know what was done by that person. And I can go and remake this video and put some actual depth and detail into this, but I really don't want to. So I'm just going to name a few people. EAS Freak, EAS Australia, and Techie with a 3 instead of an E. Pretty sure those are the guys that are causing problems. Now, people in the description or people in the comment section of this video can correct me if I'm wrong about these guys. But here is what has been going on as of late. EAS Freak has just been attacking users such as Clay and Radioactive Girl, saying demeaning things about these two wonderful creators, two people that I know personally. EAS Australia, who has taken the liberty to troll people, steal content from others, and make it so that he's the victim instead of the people that he's trolling. He's also threatened FDD. Again, someone I know. That's very irresponsible. And then you have this other dude who's been saying very, very sexual things about Clay and Radioactive Girl. Now, I don't know if all these statements are true, and people in the comments section can correct me if I'm wrong about any of this, but from what I'm hearing right now is that all these things are happening. And I'm saying right now that this needs to stop before somebody gets hurt. And it could end right now, or it could end next week when the entire EAS community goes after these people for breaking terms of service on YouTube, Discord, so on and so forth, Twitter, anything else these people uses, Facebook. The thing is that we as a community have proof of this. We can definitely go to Discord, to YouTube, to Twitter, to Facebook. We can show them that, hey, all this stuff is going on and we're trying to put a stop to it. So, here's all I'm going to say about it. It needs to stop. It needs to stop right now. This isn't some game that you think you're going to win. And I'm not making this video just to make a video, just to talk about it. I'm making this video because this is a very, very serious thing that you and whoever else you're with are trying to either put down, bring down, or just try to start another war. Now, I don't know anything about the old emergency alert system community war that went on in 2009, and I don't care to know. What I do know is that this is going to stop right now before somebody gets hurt. Because if any of my friends are hurt by this, you damn better watch your goddamn back. Because I'll come after you. I will. It's bad enough that I wouldn't say my good friend, because me and him don't talk that often, but I consider him a friend. I consider Heat Cats a friend because I kind of rely on him for, well, running his own Discord server. I rely on him on plenty of things. He's not only an emergency alert system enthusiast, but he's a weather enthusiast. He runs his server very, very seriously, and I admire him for that. And now he's taken a leave of absence for a little while to just take a break for a little while. And I don't blame him because of some things that are going on. I would much rather he just calm down, come back as a better person to overcome this, whatever the hell this is going on, and then get straight down to business. And I fully expect him to say that anybody that is found doing this would just be kicked out. And I don't blame him. I don't blame him for reacting that way, if he does react that way. In fact, I implore him to react that way, because this kind of shit that is going on is not needed in this community. These people do not represent this community. And these people should be cast aside as people trying to bring down this community. I've been a part of this community for a while. I would say since 2015, since I graduated high school. Or actually, 2015 was the year that I got my CDL, so I would say sometime before then. So I think since 2014. Point is that I have been around this community for quite some time. I know how to make plenty of emergency alert system videos. And I've helped other people plan videos, plan emergency alert system mocks, write scripts, so on and so forth. I've given people plenty of ideas. I've seen my ideas get rebooted into an extended idea of a video. I've seen my own videos get remade and feel really good about it, because something that I made gets remade and it turns out the same quality that I would make, but even better. It's a good feeling to see something like that. It's a good feeling to see that something that you've worked on gets remade because the person that remade it feels like that it should have been done this way, and then it turns out he's right. That's a good feeling. That's a good feeling to see that something you made gets remade and it's done in a better, well, in his own way. So, something I'm very, very proud of. Something I've always been happy about. But the problem is that the more these people continue to harass us, continue to steal content, continue to troll us, or to just bring us down in any way, is hurting the community. And I don't know if this is the goal for these people, is to continue to hurt this community to the point where everybody's like, you know what, fuck this shit, I don't want any part of this community anymore, and do something else. And that's not something I'm willing to allow. I want to see channels that are just like me continue to grow. I want to see people with a creative frustration to let out as many videos as they can, because they want to just continue to pump out video after video after video. I want to see more people getting together, more people come together for collaborations. And it's so great to see this happen on a day-to-day basis. You're seeing, I don't know if you guys realize this, but we're seeing a lot more collaboration in videos than ever before. Ever since I started making videos in this community. I feel like, in a way, this community is like another set of friends that I can hang out with. A set group of people that know what it's like to have a writer's block or a creator's block, to think of new ideas or even do collaborations. That is what this server is for, or at least the server that HeatCats runs. That is primarily what that server is for, besides the weather part. It's a great community to just get together and have fun. Have fun making videos and, being safe at the same time. Safe from all the severe weather that's been going on, for sure. But more importantly, stay together as a community. And for any of those people that come across this video and you tend to disagree with some of the things I say, then please enlighten me. Please enlighten me to why you feel that I'm wrong. And I'll show you the door. Because we don't need any of this nonsense. We don't need any of this toxicity. That's what it is. That's what this is. It's toxicity, unneeded toxicity within this community. And it really needs to stop right now. So, I don't know about anybody else. I'm drawing the line here. It's been drawn. And people can take this video for what they want to take it as, but for me personally, this is the line. This video is the line being drawn. Beyond this point, if anybody wants to come to me with anything they felt like they need to disagree on, with anything that I say, please, the comments section is always open for that. And it always will be open. Now, if you're just going to say that I'm wrong and you're right without any context, then I'm just going to delete your comment, or I'm going to block you and you won't say shit on this channel, and you'll be known on this community as someone to have no credibility. We want to make this community a better place. And to start with that, we need to get rid of all this toxicity. Even if that includes me myself. Even if that includes a lot of other people that feel like that maybe they're the ones that are being toxic. And sometimes I do feel like I'm being toxic. I do stupid shit all the time, trust me. So, you know, I don't usually catch myself doing something stupid. So, just really depends. But as of now, the line's been drawn. This video is out for those that feel like that they're being attacked. Maybe this is something that they needed to hear. You're not alone. I want to make this clear. You're not alone. Because we can come together as a community and solve this by just simply doing the following. Let these people be known. Try to talk to these people. And if talking isn't going to work, well, then they won't have any credibility. We'll warn the people about these people. We'll warn everybody about these people that are causing problems within this community, just like in this video. And that would be that. And for those that aren't a part of this community, well, there is a Facebook page, there is a Twitter that I will link in the description below. If you guys want to check that out, please go there. But other than that, that's really all that I have to say. So, with that in mind, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.